Welcome to the instruction video for the iCare IC100. Always start by placing the wrist strap around your wrist to avoid dropping the device. Parts of the IC100. This is the forehead support. Forehead support adjusting wheel. Probe base and collar. Display. Select a navigation button and the measure button. Turning on the tonometer and loading the probe. To turn on the tonometer, press and hold the measure button for 3 seconds, or until you hear a beep. Load the probe into the tonometer when the display screen shows Load Probe. Open the probe tube by removing the cap and insert the single-use probe into the probe base. Once the probe has been inserted into the tonometer, a green or red light will be visible around the probe base. The probe will automatically magnetize and it will not fall out. The tonometer is ready to take a measurement when the blue play symbol appears on the display. Place the forehead support on the patient's forehead. Aim the probe in the center of eye, and the distance of the probe to the cornea should be 4 to 8 millimeters. The green probe base light indicates proper alignment. If the probe base light is red, the alignment is incorrect. Press and hold the measure button to perform the automatic measurement in a series. 6 measurements are taken consecutively. Once the measurement is complete, you will hear a long beep, and the final pressure will show on the display. Press the measure button once to clear the reading, and repeat the same steps for the fellow eye. To perform individual measurements, press the measure button lightly 6 separate times, or until you hear a long beep. Error messages. For example, if you are too close to the cornea, the too near error message will display and the probe base light flashes red. Clear the error message by pressing the measure button once. If you are too far from the cornea, then too far will show in the display and the probe base light flashes red. Clear the error message, correct alignment, and continue measurement. If the tonometer is not used for 3 minutes, it will turn off automatically.